Well, from the very beginning, it's always been the heart of Senior Leors to run with the vision of honoring God and make disciples. Kaya hindi na nakapagtaka na it's always been their passion to reach out the lost, lalo na yung kanilang mga family members, yung kanilang mga anak, yung kanilang mga apo, and even their neighborhood na kung saan ay naabot din nila upang bahagyan ng Ebanghelyo ng Panginoon. Nakaka-encourage kasi makita yung passion ng mga seniors dahil in spite of their age, they are very passionate. Nakakatuwa na sila mismo ganado mag-share ng gospel. So in spite of their age, in spite of their limitation, yet they are unstoppable in sharing the gospel. Let me share to you one of the highlights in Senior Leors. Naalala ko tuwing mag-gather ang mga seniors, they are always excited for their community or a small group. And that is because they always have people to invite. And that is why it's always exciting. Sa totoo lang, sila yung parating ganadong-ganado na pumunta ng kanilang small group. Hindi mo nga sila maawa making disciples. At hindi lamang yan. They are not just confined in their small group. They allow themselves also to be a blessing in the body of Christ. In fact, in 2016, when we have started launching Senior Leors in other Victory churches nationwide, so totoo lang, umabot po tayo ng 53 Senior Leors counterpart in the provincial. Even here in Metro Manila, meron tayo counterpart ng Senior Leors. And what do? They offer themselves as Victory Group leaders, mga small group leaders na kung saan sila mismo ang nagsiserve bilang facilitator whenever we conduct a training, and they impart whatever they have learned in this community. Ang nakakatuwa nun, nakiking contagious yung buhay nila dahil yung excitement nila, dala-dala nila when they bring them to other churches of Victory na kung saan sila mismo make an impact in the life of these people. Now guys, we are celebrating our 12 years. I'm excited of what God is about to do in this community of Senior Leors. We are expecting more leaders to be raised up as we grow deeper, as we go wider. We are looking forward for more small groups to be established, more disciples of Christ to follow Him. And today, guys, I would like to congratulate you for our 12-year anniversary. Happy anniversary to all of you. God bless you.